In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share songs on Apple Music. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along on your own device without wondering what you missed. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Look for the white icon with a pink and blue music note, then open it. When it loads, you should see the main Apple Music screen with tabs along the bottom, such as Listen Now, Browse, and Library. If Apple Music opens to a different section than you expected, that is fine. You can still share from any view where you see the song or album you want. Now, tap the song or album that you want to share. This can be something already playing in the Now Playing bar at the bottom, or any item in a playlist, album list, or search results. When you tap it, either the song will start playing or the album view will open with the track list. Take a second to confirm you picked the right version, since Apple Music sometimes shows multiple versions of a track or a deluxe album with extra songs. Next, tap the three dots icon next to the title. On most screens, this icon sits to the right of the song or album name, and it looks like three small gray dots in a row. On the Now Playing screen, it appears near the top or bottom, close to the track name. When you tap it, a menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen with a list of options related to that song or album. A common beginner mistake is to press and hold the track instead of using the dots, which can bring up a different style of menu, so focus on that three-dot icon. After that, tap Share Song or Share Album if you are sharing the whole album. In the menu, these options usually sit near the middle, with a small share style icon next to them. When you tap Share, your device share sheet appears, with colorful app icons at the top and more options below. You might also see a short preview of the song or album you are about to send, which helps you double-check that you are sharing the right thing before sending it to someone else. Finally, select a contact, choose a messaging app, or tap Copy Link to paste it manually. If you tap a contact suggestion at the top, your device will open a message to that person with the Apple Music link already filled in, ready to send. If you pick a messaging app icon, like your usual chat app, it opens a new message draft there with the same link. If you choose Copy Link, the link goes onto your clipboard, and you can move to any app you like and paste it. The person who gets your link will see the Apple Music page for that song or album, and if they use Apple Music, they can start playing it right away. So now you know how to open Apple Music, pick a track, and share it directly with anyone using the built-in share options. If this helped you share music more easily, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Apple Music tips.